Have you ever felt like no matter what you do, your pores just won't stay clean? What if I told you that there is a Japanese skincare trick that cleanses pores naturally? And the surprising part is, most dermatologists don't actually talk about it openly. Today, I want to take you behind the curtain of real effective pore care, straight from my experience as a dermatologist and from the beauty secrets of Japanese women, whose skin often looks flawless and glowy well into their 40s and 50s. Japanese skincare philosophy approaches this differently than most Western routines. Instead of aggressive scrubs, harsh acids, or over-cleansing, Japanese women focus on gentle, daily rituals that encourage the skin to cleanse itself naturally while supporting its barrier function. One of the most common secrets is double cleansing. Now, I know double cleansing has been talked about online, but few people actually understand why it works so well. The idea is simple. The first cleanse removes oil-based impurities like sunscreen, makeup, or excess sebum. This is usually done with an oil cleanser, which may sound counterintuitive if your skin is oily, but it's actually brilliant. Oil dissolves oil, meaning it attracts and removes the oily buildup in your pores without stripping your skin. Stripping your skin triggers your sebaceous glands to produce even more oil, which just brings you back to the same problem. After the oil cleanse, a gentle water-based cleanser is used to remove water-based impurities like sweat, dirt, or environmental pollutants. The combination is surprisingly effective at clearing out the gunk in your pores while maintaining your skin's natural barrier. Japanese dermatologists and estheticians often emphasize that the key is the texture and method. Cleansers are not rubbed harshly. Instead, they are massaged into the skin for about 30 seconds to a minute and then rinsed off with lukewarm water. Hot water can damage the skin's barrier, and cold water doesn't effectively remove oils, so lukewarm is the perfect temperature. Another trick that is less discussed but incredibly effective is the use of enzymatic exfoliants, often derived from natural fruit enzymes like papaya or pineapple. These enzymes gently break down the proteins in dead skin cells, allowing them to slough off naturally without harsh scrubbing. Japanese skincare tends to favor enzyme-based cleansers over abrasive scrubs because overexfoliation can weaken the skin and actually enlarge pores over time. Using an enzymatic cleanser once or twice a week keeps the surface of the skin smooth, which reduces the likelihood of pore blockage. A surprising part of the Japanese approach is the emphasis on hydration before anything else. You might think, I have oily skin, why would I hydrate? But here's the science. When the skin is hydrated, it balances oil production. Japanese women often use a toner or a hydrating essence immediately after cleansing. These products are lightweight, watery, and packed with ingredients like hyaluronic acid, rice ferment filtrate, or camellia extracts. They prepare the skin to absorb subsequent treatments and create a healthy environment where pores are less likely to clog. Think of it as creating a slippery, hydrated surface where impurities can't stick. One of the most underrated tools in pore care is facial massage. It sounds like a luxury, but a gentle massage stimulates circulation, encourages lymphatic drainage, and helps move sebum along the surface rather than allowing it to stagnate in your pores. Many Japanese women use a konjac sponge, a soft plant-based sponge, during their cleansing routine. The texture is firm enough to lift dead skin cells and dirt, but soft enough to prevent micro tears in the skin. Massaging in small circular motions also promotes collagen production, which helps maintain skin elasticity and prevents pores from sagging, another factor in pore visibility. Another trick that rarely gets shared in mainstream dermatology discussions is the role of heat. Japanese skincare routines sometimes include the use of hot towels or facial steaming before cleansing. A warm towel applied to the face for 30 seconds to a minute opens up pores, softens hardened sebum, and makes extraction or cleansing much easier. This is not about leaving your face under a boiling hot towel for 10 minutes. It's about gentle warmth that aids in natural pore cleansing. Afterward, the routine continues with the oil cleanse and then the water-based cleanse, which ensures that everything that was loosened is removed effectively. Diet and lifestyle are also key pillars of pore health. Japanese women traditionally consume diets high in vegetables, fish, fermented foods, and green tea. These foods are rich in antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, and polyphenols, which reduce inflammation, support healthy sebum production, and improve skin texture. While you can't spot treat pores from the inside, a diet that supports healthy skin reduces the risk of overactive sebaceous glands and chronic inflammation that can lead to enlarged pores and breakouts. Hydration matters too. Drinking water consistently and limiting alcohol and sugar helps maintain skin elasticity and prevents oil from becoming thick and sticky in pores. One of the most misunderstood aspects of Japanese skincare is that products themselves are not magic. They are tools, but method and consistency matter more. Many people buy all the trendy serums, masks, and creams, and then are surprised when their pores remain clogged. The truth is that daily habits such as gentle cleansing, proper hydration, and occasional exfoliation do far more for pore health than a once-a-week expensive mask. Japanese routines may look lengthy, but they are designed for sustainability, not shock value. Pores are cleared slowly and naturally, which prevents the rebound oiliness or irritation that comes from aggressive Western treatments. Speaking of aggressive treatments, let's talk about extractions. While dermatologists like myself sometimes remove blackheads in office, Japanese skincare philosophy generally avoids manual squeezing at home. Instead, it relies on consistent cleansing, hydration, and gentle exfoliation to prevent clogs in the first place. Overextraction can cause scarring, infection, and enlarged pores. So while it's tempting to squeeze, the real trick is prevention rather than reaction. If you follow the routine consistently, most blackheads and whiteheads can be minimized naturally. One more Japanese secret that rarely makes headlines is the use of rice bran or fermented rice water. These ingredients are rich in vitamins B and E and antioxidants that support skin turnover and natural exfoliation. Fermented rice products have been used for centuries in Japan to brighten skin, improve texture, and maintain clear pores. They work subtly but effectively by strengthening the skin barrier and promoting gentle cell renewal, which keeps pores free of debris. When paired with the cleansing routine I mentioned earlier, they are surprisingly powerful. Now, let's talk about products and their textures. Japanese skincare emphasizes lightweight, water-based products that layer well. Heavy creams or occlusive products can trap oils and dirt, especially on the T-zone, leading to clogged pores. Instead, layering several thin products is preferred: a hydrating toner, a lightweight essence, a serum, and then a protective sunscreen. Each layer contributes to the overall health of the skin and ensures that pores are less likely to become congested. And yes, sunscreen is non-negotiable. Sun damage weakens collagen, which can make pores appear larger, so daily SPF protects your pores indirectly by maintaining skin structure. Consistency is the real trick. You can buy all the right products, follow all the steps, but if it's done sporadically, you won't see results. Japanese women view skincare as a ritual, not a chore. They cleanse every morning and evening, hydrate consistently, exfoliate weekly, and protect against the sun daily. This consistency allows their pores to remain naturally clear without the need for harsh chemicals, aggressive extractions, or expensive treatments. It's important to note that genetics also play a role. Not everyone's pores will look the same, and some people are more prone to clogged pores due to oil production or skin thickness. But even for those individuals, adopting these Japanese-inspired practices can dramatically reduce the frequency and severity of breakouts and clogged pores. You will notice your skin looks smoother, softer, and healthier over time. Finally, the Japanese approach is holistic. It doesn't just address the skin on the surface. It respects the skin's natural functions, supports barrier health, and encourages slow, steady improvements. That's why it's so effective, and why dermatologists often avoid discussing it in depth. It doesn't offer quick, dramatic results, but the results you get are sustainable and natural. Your pores will gradually become less visible, your skin less congested, and your overall complexion healthier. In conclusion, if you want naturally clean pores, start by rethinking your routine. Introduce double cleansing with an oil and water-based cleanser, hydrate consistently, exfoliate gently with enzymes or fermented rice products, consider a soft massage or konjac sponge, occasionally use warmth to loosen sebum, and maintain a diet rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory foods. Avoid harsh scrubs, over-extraction, and aggressive acids that strip the skin. With patience and consistency, you can achieve the pore clarity and smoothness that Japanese women maintain with rituals passed down through generations. Your skin will thank you, not with temporary fixes, but with long-lasting health, glow, and natural clarity. Remember, your pores are not your enemy. Treat them with respect, give them the tools they need to function naturally, and you will see remarkable results. This is the Japanese secret that cleanses pores naturally, gently, and sustainably, a secret that is so simple yet so often overlooked in Western dermatology.